Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How do you solve this functional equation problem? We have f of x squared plus 2x equals x plus 4. Our interest is to find f of x. How do you solve it? So let's drop the answer in the comment box. And I will be solving this in two different ways. So let's see how we solve this. So by considering the solution, so looking at this argument, for the first method, I'll be using the complete square method. And with the argument given here as the domain, we have x squared plus 2x. So here is the domain that is given. So to make this a complete squared, we are going to rewrite this as, if I divide this 2x by 2, so we are going to have 1. Then I will just rewrite this as x plus 1 raised to power 2. So expanding this alone, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. At this side, we have x squared plus 2x. I have to subtract minus 1 here to make this side and this side equal. So after getting this, suppose from here, I let u equals x plus 1. And by making x the subject of the relations, we are going to have our x equals u minus 1. So this is what we have. Then, so I want to make another substitutions from the above. So since what we have here is f of x squared plus 2x, if I replace x squared plus 2x with another letter, let's say t. So by letting t to be equals x squared plus 2x. So this also implies that since x squared plus 2x, we have made it to be x plus 1 squared minus 1. So the whole of this expression for x squared plus 2x, so it's still the same thing as when we have u squared minus 1. Then we are going to resubstitute back to the given functions, or before then, let's try and provide x plus 4. For x plus 4, so we have x as u minus 1. So replacing this in terms of u, we have u minus 1 plus 4. And this gives us u plus 3. So on getting this, so we're now going to have f of, so instead of x squared plus 2x, we have it as f of u squared minus 1. This equals, so for x plus 4, we have it as u plus 3. And again, so where we have u squared minus 1, so this is not always a direct form. So we have to make this one a single value. So for u squared minus 1, so if I let it to be m equals u squared minus 1. So making u the subject, we are going to have m plus 1 equals u squared. So by taking the square root of both sides, we have m plus 1 in square root equals u squared in square root. But anytime we take the square root of this side, so we add plus or minus. So for square and square root cancelled, we have only u equals plus or minus the square root of m plus 1. But we have to consider the positive root for principal branch. So considering only the positive root for principal branch, so we are going to cancel this negative, and we have this as u equals square root of m plus 1. So by replacing it, we have f of, instead of u square minus 1, we have it as f of m equals, then the other side becomes, so we are going to have it as 3 plus square root of m plus 1. So changing this m to x, we have f of x equals 3 plus square root of x plus 1. So where the value of x here, so we have to know the domain of this. So anything like -2 upwards, so it's not allowed in this. So this is x is greater than -2. This is how to solve this using the first equation, the first method. So let's solve this in another method. We have the second method, let's say method 2. So here we are going to use direct substitutions coupled with quadratic equations. So let's see the first one. I have x squared plus 2x, that is our domain. If I let it to be equals t, just as I did earlier. So transferring t here, we have x squared plus 2x minus t equals 0. Then, so since this is what we have to make x the subject of the formula, but this is not easy as transferring this and take the square root of both sides. So we're still going to have x at the inside root. So we're going to apply quadratic equations. So as we have coefficient of x squared as a equals 1, so we have b equals 2 and we have c equals minus t. We will leave this answer in terms of t. Then, so x equals minus b as quadratic formula plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. If this is what we have, so let's try and substitute. We have minus b, that is minus 2. Then we are going to have plus or minus the square root of 2 squared, that is 4, minus 4 multiplied by a, that is 1, multiplied by c is minus t. All divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. So in the next step, we have minus 2 plus or minus the square root of, here is 4, minus times minus, we have it as plus, 4 times 1 times t, that is 4t, divided by 2. And looking at this side only, so here we have minus 2 plus or minus. If I take out 4 from here, we have it as 2. Then inside root, we have square root of 1 plus t divided by 2. Then this equals, taking out 2, we have 2 bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus t divided by 2. So if 2 cancels 2, then we have the value of x equals minus 1. For only the principal root, we are going to have plus square root of 1 plus t. And since this is what we have, to find f of, for x plus 4, just add 4 to this, and we have f of x equals 3, then plus square root of 1 plus x. So this is how I solve this step by step, where x here is greater than minus 2. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.